Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we have this ninth exponential algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. Alright, so we have the question to be 2 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 divide 4 raised to the power of x, and this is equals to what? 6. So we have this to be 2 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 divide. Now 4 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of x, and this is equals to what? 6. But we know that if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of m multiply n. So applying this to the denominator, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 divide 2 raised to the power of 2 multiply x is 2x, which is equals to what? 6. But from the property of exponents, if we have a raised to the power of m divide a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of m minus n. So we want to simply apply this property. So applying this property, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of x squared minus 2x, and this is equals to what? 6. So from this point, we want to simply take the logarithm of both sides. So taking the log of both sides, we have this to be log 2 raised to the power of what? X squared minus 2x, and this is equals to what? Log 6. From the logarithmic property, if we have log a raised to the power of b, this is equals to b log a. So applying this property, we have this to be x squared minus 2x multiply log 2 is equals to what? Log 6. So at this point, we want to divide both sides by what? Log 2. So divide both sides by log 2. This we cancel out this, so we have this to be x squared minus 2x is equals to log 6 divide what? Log 2. But we know that if we have log a divide log b, this is equals to what? Log a base b. So hence we have this to be x squared minus 2x is equals to what? Log 6 base 2. So at this point, we want to simply rearrange and set this equation to 0. So we have this to be x squared minus 2x minus log 6 base 2, and this is equals to what? 0. So we want to apply the quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation given as ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, whereby we have that x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to minus log 6 base 2. So we have that x is equals to minus into minus 2 plus minus the square root of b square, which is minus 2 all square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is minus log 6 base 2 divide what? 2a, which and a is what? 1. So from here we have that x is equals to minus times minus is plus, so we have 2 plus minus the square root of minus 2 all square, we have this to be 4, minus times minus is plus, so we have 4 multiply 1 times log 2 base 6, we have this to be log 6 base 2, and this is going to divide 2 multiply 1 is what? 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus the square root of, we have a common term which is 4, and if we factor this out, we have 1 plus log 6 base 2 divide what? 2. Alright, but we know that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equals to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So we have that x is equals to 2 plus minus the square root of 4 multiply the square root of 1 plus log 6 base 2 divide what? 2. So x is equals to 2 plus minus the square root of 4 is 2 multiply the square root of 1 plus log 6 base 2 divide what? 2. So at this point, we have this to be x is equals to, we factor out 2 from the numerator. So if we factor out 2 from the numerator, we have this to be 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus log 6 base 2 divide what? 2. So this we cancel out this, we have that x is equals to 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus log 6 base what? 2. Alright, but 6 can be expressed as 2 multiply 3, so x is equals to 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus log 6. 6 can be expressed as 2 multiply 3 base what? 2. But from the logarithmic property, if we have log a multiply b base x, this is equals to log a base x plus what? Log b base x. So applying this, we have that x is equals to 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. But from the logarithmic property we have, if we have log a base a, this is equals to what? 1, right? So hence we have that x is equals to 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus log 2 base 2 is 1 plus log 3 base 2. So x is equals to 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 3 base 2. Alright, so therefore we have that x is equals to 1 plus the square root of 2 plus log 3 base 2, and x is equals to 1 minus the square root of 2 plus log 3 base 2, and this becomes the values of x. So right here guys, we have been able to solve this nice exponential math problem right here, and with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.